Do you want to know how to draw Frieren digitally and in full body? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect video tutorial for you to watch, because I'm gonna teach you on how to do that. I'm going to use Clip Studio Paint EX for this tutorial because I am comfortable using it. So the canvas size for this project, it started with a size of 2000 by 2000 pixels with 350 resolution size. I just resized the canvas as I draw in this tutorial because I am drawing the full body of Frieren here. So before we begin this tutorial, we will need some reference image of Frieren. I have prepared 4 images of her, so be sure to look carefully on the images I have prepared. So 3 images of Frieren, so that we can have all the design details of her. Then to spice things up, I chose a real person as my 4th reference as Frieren's pose. As we look into the images of Frieren, her facial details are more in the circular side. Big eyes, small nose, very long ears, and a chubby cheeks, which is the unique design of this anime series. Now that we understand the unique features of Frieren, then let us begin in sketching her pose in basic, simple shapes. I'll be using boxes, spheres, and cylinders in drawing her pose, because it is much better to draw these images with 3D perspective, so that it will not look like flat and lifeless when you draw it. So be sure to watch now the process, and I'll speed up a little bit. Now that we are done with the pose, then we can now proceed in drawing Frieren's details. So again, I'll speed up the video a little bit while I am doing the line work of Frieren, because the pose and line art of Frieren took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete. So let's go. that we are done with drawing the full body of Frieren, it is time to color her. So again, I'm gonna speed up the video and see my coloring process. We are finally done. It took me 3 hours to draw and color Frieren, and I slightly animated her eyes so that she will look more alive. I hope that this video tutorial of mine is helpful to your digital art journey. So if you have some questions or suggestions for another character to draw, then please do leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of them. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.